How to crop Instagram Reels videos. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a fin icon. Click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now over here, you're going to find a fin option. Set it to Reel. Then go ahead and select the Reel that you want to upload. Now click on Next. Once you're in this page, from here you are able to trim the video. Likewise, you can add music and set the speed. Once you are done, click on Next. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find a fun option. Click on the option of Edit Video. Now click on the option Edit. Select the option Crop. Now you can use your two fingers to zoom in or zoom out. In this way, you are able to crop your video. Once you are satisfied with the video, you can play it. Likewise, you can make necessary changes. At the bottom, you're going to find different features of Instagram. And once you are done with the editing part, you can upload it. So this way you are able to crop Instagram Reels videos. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.